If you love buttery flavor, but you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or avoiding dairy, Nuttelex Vegan Butter might be a good option for you. If you're unsure about which Nuttelex butter to use, stay tuned to the end as I will cover the specific uses of each butter based on my own experience for the past 9 years. What is Nuttelex? Nuttelex is a 100% plant-based, dairy-free butter spread from Australia. It's super popular in Malaysia and around the world. Nuttelex is known for being rich, creamy, tasty, and incredibly versatile for a variety of uses. But did you know Nuttelex actually has several different variants, each designed for different purposes? Overview of main Nuttelex variants. These are the most common Nuttelex versions you'll find in stores. They come in two sizes of tubs, 375 grams and 500 grams. They are certified vegan. Nuttelex is dairy-free, lactose-free, nut oil-free, gluten-free, soy-free, cholesterol-free, GM-free, and suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Nuttelex Original. Nuttelex Original comes in a classic yellow tub. It has a neutral, mild buttery flavor due to sunflower oil. Nuttelex Original is a great starting point if you are new to vegan butter. Nuttelex Buttery. Nuttelex Buttery has a richer, more buttery flavor. It has a softer texture. Nuttelex Buttery is a favorite among people transitioning from dairy butter as it has a more buttery flavor. Nuttelex Olive Oil. Nuttelex Olive Oil has a rich olive oil flavor. It has a slightly healthier profile due to olive oil composition. It is good for Mediterranean style cooking. Nuttelex Coconut Oil. Nuttelex coconut oil has a delightful coconut oil aroma appreciated by coconut lovers. Nuttelex coconut oil is useful if you enjoy coconut undertones. So what's the difference? Let's do a simple experiment. I'm going to spread the 4 Nuttelex variants on white bread. See if you can spot any differences. Here goes. Nuttelex Original, Nuttelex Buttery, Nuttelex Coconut Oil. Nuttelex Olive Oil. Do you see any differences? To me, there's only very little differences in the color, texture, or even aroma. Even coconut oil exudes only a hint of coconut aroma. Next, let's spread them on toast. They melt as soon as heated. Again, there's not much differences among them. However, if we taste the butter, we may be able to discern slight differences due to different oils contributing to the flavor. What they are best used for. Now let's talk about what each one actually does best based on my own experience. For baking, original and buttery produce the desired flavor and texture in cookies and cakes. Nuttelex Original is more versatile as it has a neutral flavor and is great for cakes and cupcakes. For cooking, use olive oil and coconut oil depending on the aroma and flavor needed. These two Nuttelex variants give good taste in cooking. For spreading on bread or toast, buttery is the closest to the rich dairy butter texture and flavor. How to choose the right Nuttelex? If you want the closest dairy butter taste, choose buttery. If you want a versatile all-rounder, go for original. If you bake a lot, choose buttery. If you want a healthier or flavored option, choose olive oil or coconut. With so many variants, you can pick the perfect one for whatever you're cooking. Have you tried Nuttelex Vegan Butter? Which one is your favorite? Would you like me to review other vegan products? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more food reviews and recipe videos. See you in the next video.